Alright, hi, I'm Armand Matossian, and I completed UC Berkeley engineering program in June this summer, and I'm doing a credit for the American University Association, and I came up with a great idea to improve cars, and the question was to make a mode of transport more sufficient and work better. And the idea I came up with will help the electric car industry, and the main problem with the electric car is its battery, because once you recharge the battery, it only lasts for about 100 miles, and when you recharge it, it takes 5 to 8 hours to recharge. So if you were to go on a long trip, like over 100 miles, you would have to frequently stop to recharge your battery, which will make it last much longer than it should. And even after 4 years, you have to buy a new battery, which costs about $2,000. And my solution to this problem is to use wind energy combined with solar energy to make the car recharge itself. And the wind turbine solution is there, as you can see here, the wind turbines would spin, and they're connected to a battery, and as they're spinning, they're creating energy which will recharge the battery, and this will help a lot. And the wind turbines will be placed right behind the front grille and the front bumper, which is where and there's also two other spots, which would be the spoiler and the side of the car, but this spot, wind will always be hitting it, and they will always be recharging. So right behind the front grille is a key place. And here's a view from the bottom of the car, where you can see the circles are the wind turbines. They're right behind the front bumper, and they're in the sides of the car, where wind will go around the car and go into the little pocket there, as you can see. And here's a picture of the back of the car. As you can see, the spoiler design. The wind turbines would actually be holding the spoiler up, so you could so they would spin, and they would be connected to the spoiler through a pipe down the middle, so they can still spin. And then this is also a great spot. And then we have and then you can see a side view of the car where you can see how the wind will go over the car just like any other car, and then go right underneath the spoiler, causing them to spin. And here's another picture. As you can see, all three spots where the wind would be: the front bumper, the side of the car, and the spoiler. All great spots for it. And the solar energy, the reason for that is there's actually a problem with the wind. So with the wind turbines, you have to push harder to make enough energy for the car. So as the wind turbines are spinning, the car has to push more to get them to spin. For example, if you had a wind turbine attached to you, you really could not run, because the wind would be causing a lot of friction and making you not be able to run as fast as you should be able to. So you would have to push harder for you to get that same speed as you would. So the amount of energy created from the car does not make up for the extra energy needed to make the car go that speed. So the solar energy would possibly make up for that lost energy and make the car more sufficient and work better. And that's my idea, and hopefully it'll work. Thank you.